Hello everyone, and thank you for tuning into my YouTube channel. This is a very special episode. It is my first ever YouTube video on home repair / home improvement. So thank you for tuning in and supporting my channel. In today's episode, I will be demonstrating on how to repair some cracked tiles in your existing ceramic floor. So for instance here, I got some cracked tiles here in my kitchen floor, and obviously I don't want to repair the whole floor, so I'll be cutting out this one cracked tile and then replacing it with a new tile to match. Today I'll be using this oscillating tool or multi-tool from the wall, also with a grout cutter and tile cutter to help me cut along the tile lines. And then I'll be also using this scraper to help scrape away from the mortar away to install the new mortar. So with that, let's jump right into the action. Alright, now I got my scraping tool on my multi-tool kit. I'll try to scrape up the old mortar, so that way when we put on the new replacement tile, it will be on the same elevation as your existing tile, so there won't be any gaps or any sharp points to trip over. So now we've got all the old mortar out, and we cleaned the edges really good to make sure that the new tile piece fit in nice and flush with it. Key is to try to clean out all these edges along here really smooth, so that way your new tile will fit in great, and there won't be any high spots or anything like that. But most importantly, you can dry fit it with an actual tile piece to make sure that it fits before you start mixing your mortar and putting it down. So you can see that's our new tile piece there, and it fits in very nicely. So, and then next step is we can mix the mortar and start applying it onto the backer board. Here I'm dry fitting a new tile to be able to mark off how much it cut off for this key right here. So the best way to ensure that it fits is probably just to dry fit it in, and then get a pencil, make sure all the edges are even and square, and then get a pencil and mark where it needs to be cut. That way you ensure that you're cutting it the right amount. All right, now that we cut it, we've got to dry fit it in just to make sure that it fits in with the existing key. So before we start mixing mortar, and when we are on a clock and have to put it in before the mortar dries, so you can see it fits in well. So we're ready for the mortar. All right, we got our mortar mix here, and let's start by putting the mortar down and putting the tile on top. Mortar. Don't walk on it. Yeah, probably the dry overnight before we put grout on.
Oh, I know where that was. That's my shirt.
All right, now we got the new replacement tiles in, and it's been sitting here for 24 hours, so the mortar is completely hardened underneath it. And we're ready to put in the grout along these crevices here. So.